Yeah, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today video we got something new, very exciting right here. That's gonna be unboxing today, and we're gonna do that after a regular intro. I'll see you then over there, guys. All right, guys. So we are back. So today on today's video is gonna be a regular unboxing. Thank to company right there. Let's see if we can see that. Innovation belong imagination. All right, so we get this from them, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing and a review about this one. It's a pretty good microscope, I think so. So not until we open and test it out, but first I'm just gonna move the camera down so you guys can see what we got down with the, that bus look nice. All right, so let's bring this down and we move this down. Sorry for the mess in the bottle. And right here we are working also on a different project. All right, okay guys, so see what we got. This is a microphone. Okay, so I ordered the 4.3, but by mistake they sent me the 7. So I guess they want a nice review. So we got our regular manual. Yeah, I can see it. It's gonna be what we're getting. All right, so I was looking for a cheap, good microscope. Sorry about that. So I can't even pronounce that. All right, so this is what we got. This is the whole piece. It's coming in. It's a 7-inch screen coming in with that. We're gonna put that right there, and right under the box we got the rest of the parts. It's on this side. So we got very good aluminum base. Okay. We got the microphone stand, power supply, cable, and cable. All right. So now a little show the box is empty. You can see it's empty. All right. So we're gonna put that over there. Yeah, I can see that we got it right back. All right, let's go put this together, and should be very simple. So I don't think it's something a big deal about this. Okay, let's see. All right, so this is the metal base. It's a full aluminum base. So it's kind of cool about that. All right, so it's look like we're gonna have to, so we say be prepared for anything. That's exactly what we did. Let me use one of my flat weather to cut it away. Okay. Yeah, that's funny. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna get something to do this real quick. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, so we're back. I just went to get this. All right, slows now. Okay, good. Now, oh, this thing is moving. All right, that's what we wanted. Then we just push this one down, keep it in place what we wanted. Then all right, first let me remove this. So this, you know, this was removed until now. Okay, so got this set up. This is the lines. So slide right back in it. Okay, this one good. All right, so we already got them right there. You know, the one order, guys, let me move this a little bit so I can see the whole picture, the whole macro. All right. So, sorry for the mess behind. We're still working and cleaning out this. All right. So the one we order, the one I ordered, normally this right here, this screen session, they should be moving back and forth. And that's exactly what I ordered. This is up and down. And right here is if you don't want it to be moving it, so click down, putting up, then you just click on it. Now, got the power supply. We're gonna, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna connect this straight to the PC because so we want it, like I said before, we want to see how nice is we can get video and stuff like that. See, I'm gonna use these ones right here. Okay. It's got two different cables. It's got one. It's got about one in and out, but I'm gonna connect everybody separate. All right, so you can see it. This is the line. With this guy in screw anything to hold it down and place. No, that's a negative plus right there. But all right, so cycle pack got that hook and then yeah, it's very uncomfortable to the connection. They could have put this connection in another location, like somewhere right here, like this section here. No, they went too close, as you guys can see it. It's very close to the screen, so it's very uncomfortable to get that on place. And let's see. Let's power on this thing. All right, so it's power on now. It's asking me if I want a PC with a camera. So let's click OK. All right, so now okay, let's see. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is okay, I got the wrong mouse. It's gonna be this. All right, we're gonna switch to the screen, to the PC screen. All right, so that's not that one. So we are here. Okay, so all right, after playing around back and forth to find the software work with the camera, it was kind of pain in the butt because the manual didn't tell me which one to use, so I had to figure it out something to use. So I used to have like a small USB one, and I was looking at the model, and I tried to use the same camera. This is the camera. This is what I'll be able to see in it. Microscope. It's flicking because that's not the right software for this thing. It's just connecting and it's working through to a hub, so it's not connecting directly also to the computer. That's the other thing. Now, you guys can see it over there. We be able to see in it is wide detail everything we do. Let me move this around. I can see in it, so we be able to work very good. On the monitor over here from the microscopes, it's doing way better. The good part of this is, for example, let me see if I can get it in close now. Let's see. Let's go close we can down. So let's go a little bit closer it down and let's adjust thing out the view. You guys can see in it, it's very good. Only one problem, the software is not helping me out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this. I remember I used to use that software back in the day, and it should be able to allow me to work with the camera and everything. All right, guys, so I'll be back in a second, probably an hour or two, and for you guys probably gonna be like a 1 second. For me it's gonna be a couple minutes or an hour. All right, guys, so I'm back. Been using now the software UCam, so you guys can see in it. I think we can, I'm gonna do some tuners over here online. Let's see. Best Buys, I can still zoom so I can see. Yeah, I can see, so I can see the one microchip it is. I'm doing this to the software. This is a digital zoom. This is on top of the regular zoom. This is how the microscopes can see in it, and I can still go more if I want it. But let's say I can go a little bit more if I want it. So if I want to just can close it out a little bit by little bit, until I can see what I want to see. I can see in it. So we got the name of the chip. It's right here. So it's A10WC. So that's a good thing. So we can see this one. So we can see the connection, how good they are and stuff like that. If it's any damage, you know, to the soldering, like you guys can see right here, this is soldering. Right here is seeing it. It look like it was like damaged, but this is the white thing where they put the number like the like U2 and stuff like that. Yeah, I can see it. Let me get my stuff doing. All right, guys. So this is the overall of the markups. It's worth for what I needed. I don't know what you got looking for, and it's got a little bit lag of time and stuff like that when you're moving around. I was looking for my little thing so you can move in it like that. Because in case, you know, like always, yo, people will lose stuff. And one of them, I don't know why I'm not losing my head yet, but let me use this to moving it around. So, oh, there it is. Shut up now. This is what I'm looking for. So see, we got a little bit drag of time on this. So that's the only thing you can see in it. This is the main chip, so you will be able to see in it. What is cool about this is you can see the soldering and stuff. If it's good, if it's not good, if it's any damage and stuff like that. Point blank, I like the microscopes, and for the price it is, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to Amazon. It's regular price of that one. The one I got right here is about 70. It wasn't special for $79. Eventually, I ordered, to be clear, everybody's. We ordered the 1.4.3, eventually the same thing. Just the screen was small. I didn't need a bigger screen. I don't know. They cheaped out this to me, and thank to them. So I really ordered the small one. This was for a review, and so far I liking it. You guys can see it on the video how clear those pictures are, especially if you wanted to look in it something it is. The software we'll recommend is YouCam. It's a bit better software. It's work better for this and for you guys can see it. The good part with the YouCam is you can still zoom the whole picture more. If you want to see it a little bit better, you can see it. So you can do that. What is not still be able to find is, let's see if we can get, oh, we got more brightness over here. Eventually that's what I wanted. Let's see. Okay. So, all right, so I'm doing some brightness. Let me move this up over here. You guys can see it. And advance. All right, so let's see. Okay, so did do something a little better. So I'll be able to see it. You guys seeing it better right here on the screen. So if you want it, you just gotta go to settings right here, and I don't know why it's keeping jumping it down to my side on the bottom. Go to setting, and you need to change anything. It's gonna be over here. All this stuff. That's for setting. If you wanted to change something like that. If you wanted to change what I did the brands of the situation, clicking the one, clicking out, then you're gonna get that little menu. Then you can go all the way up, and then you can close it out, and you see more brightness coming out. And if you go back over here and you moving it, you will see that. You also can create the outer line, so you can see now it's better. So I will recommend you guys to click this one right there. You can see in it, you can get better views, and you can be able to see more what you guys see. All right, guys, so I'm gonna cut all this over here. This went too long, 70 minutes, too much. If you guys went all the way to the end, please like and subscribe. That will help my channel a lot, and I will see you guys into the next one. See you then.